Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here bridged compound is given with one bridged carbon and it's a kind of normal system. Here three hydrogens are specified A, B, C. You have to find the topicity of the hydrogen A, B, C. Here the finding the topicity is a tricky thing. Always you do by substitution. If you substitute A and B, you have endo and exo formation. It is like cis and trans. Obviously it is called as diastereomer. So to find the diastereomer is the easy way. Just substitute and find it. Then you look at between B and C. B and C has mirror image relationship and you have homotopicity because both hydrogens are same, both have same chemical shape. This topicity is important in NMR analysis. You have to master it. Here the concept you have to learn here is hydrogen with mirror image relationship is homotopic. Hydrogen with cis trans or endo-exo relationship is diastereotopic. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.